In today's video, let's discuss a question on sequence of figures. Which among the four options will be the next figure in the given sequence? Solution. In each of the figures in the question, we can see that there are four different objects. A big rectangle, a small rectangle placed diagonally inside the big rectangle, a dark dot inside the diagonal rectangle, and a white dot outside the diagonal rectangle. Among these four objects, the third and the fourth object are the only entities which change their positions in each of the figures. Hence, it is enough to observe the movement of the dark dot and the white dot in each of the figures. Firstly, let us consider the movement of the dark dot. Evidently, the dark dot is moving clockwise from the left bottom corner to the left top corner and then to the right top corner inside the diagonal rectangle. Hence, the position of the dark dot in the next figure should be the right bottom corner inside the diagonal rectangle. Checking the answer options, option C is the only option in which the dark dot is in the right bottom corner inside the diagonal rectangle, and thus all other options are eliminated. Hence, the right answer to the question is option C.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 PM on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 AM. Monday to Friday, 11 AM free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.